Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, there is an unbelievable and very good news which is coming here from Infosys. Infosys has announced 20,000 hiring this year. Friends, this is really a very good opportunity because Infosys kept hiring on hold for almost 2 years, and now because many people have left Infosys, so they really want to increase their headcount. They really need employees, so hiring will definitely happen. There is no other choice. I will give you the complete information for what all role the hiring might happen, for which batch 2025 or 2024 or 2026 the hiring might happen. So each and every information I will be giving you in this particular video, but my request to you is please do subscribe to the channel and like the video. The reason is, friends, many of the students were not able to apply for this Deloitte opportunity. Many of the students were not able to apply for this Synopsys opportunities. Friends, if you are not getting notification about the hiring opportunities, then definitely you will miss this. See, even preparation videos also we are putting 30 plus most repeated technical skills questions, right? Aptitude questions asked in TCS Deloitte. So you will be also able to prepare for the examination, and plus all the notification, right? Each and everything you will be getting from our channel. So please don't forget to subscribe so that you have to regret later. Anyway, now let us come to the point. So the question is, why suddenly Infosys decided to hire? So friends, you know, right, 2022, 2023 batch, 2024 batch also. So two and a half years Infosys did not hire. Okay, all the hirings were kept on hold because they had overhired during the COVID. I'll just write down here so that you will be able to get a idea. I will also discuss the syllabus, the pattern. Okay, so in 2023 batch and 2024 batch, Infosys did not hire. No hiring from Infosys. So definitely, friends, if you're not hiring candidates and other lateral employees, see what happens now. Those who have joined in 2020, 2021, okay, so these people will leave Infosys after 2 years. See, if you are working in any company, you should not, at least the first 10 years of your career, you should not stick to one of the company. You should keep switching the company. So after 2 years, after 3 years, you should definitely switch company. Now, those who joined in 2020, 2021, they will definitely leave the company. Okay. So 2023 and 2024, no hiring, but many people left Infosys. Now, they definitely need the employees to fill the gap. Even in 2025, we saw there was some hiring, but not, 2025 batch I am telling. So we saw there were few hirings, but not in a very good amount. See, 15,000 or 20,000 hiring by one company is really a very big number. Please try to understand. So now, who will get job? Those who are preparing. If you are not preparing, if you have not started your preparation, and suddenly these notifications will come. See, they did not talk about notification when it will come. But if you're not preparing beforehand, then definitely the chances of selection will be very, very less, and you will be keep crying. Okay, anyway. Now let us see. So Infosys CFO Jayesh Sharma added that the company is on track to reach its FY 2025 target of hiring around 15,000 freshers, and Infosys to hire over 20,000 freshers in FY 2026, says CFO. Okay. So Infosys Chief Financial Officer, see, these are the trusted source, Money Control, and then you can also see here, ET, Economics Times, then you can see Times of India, right? So these are the, trusted source. So it's not like, somebody is just coming and telling you. So Infosys headcount goes up by 5,500 plus. CFO says recruitment is a combination of both. This is some 2 days ago, January 17. Actually, I was little busy, so I did not make the video on that. Infosys plans to hire over 20,000 freshers in FY 2026 following a headcount increase of 5,591 in quarter 3. CEO Salil Parekh highlights the company focus on enterprise AI and growth in large deal wins. Revenue grew 7.6% is driven by strong demand from key store. Pay hikes to commence from February. Now, one more thing, friends, you need to understand is, now, even though from whichever branch you are, okay, if you have a plan to go into IT, see, that is the only option left with us. So please start reading what is AI, okay, and at least some information you should be having around AI, because the candidates who joined in 2020 2021, that time AI was not in peak, okay. I mean, very few people were talking about, okay, AI will be the future, but now everyone knows AI is the future. So any exam you write, for any company you prepare, you should and must have knowledge of AI and all. See, even the company CEO is telling that they needed, to get the companies, basically they are service based companies, so they need projects, and for that they wanted people with this skills, AI driven skills. So Infosys announced plans to hire over 21 freshers in upcoming fiscal year 2026. India's second largest software services exporter says its headcount increased, and even Infosys is in profit. Here you see, Infosys announced its quarterly earnings, posting strong Q3 financial performance, which saw a 11.4% year-on-year increase in net profit to rupees 68.06 billion. But the fresher salary is still 3.6. All this profit, I don't know where it is going. You will never be able to understand. See, I am not telling that fresher salary from 3.6 you make it to 9 LPA, because Infosys has for different roles, different profiles, specialist programmer, and then I think digital specialist programmer, right? So for all those things, Infosys hires. But 3 points from 3.6, you make it 4.5. Thoda to kuch kar do yaar, right? So this 3.6 is coming from long time, and year, 11.4% increase in net profit. Where the profit is going? It is going to CEO pocket. CEO, CFO, all their salary, if you'll see their growth, per year, every year, their salary will increase by 5 crores, 10 crores, 20 crores, because they are the one who are running the company. See, who is working? Engineers, right? So at least they should get something. If you are getting profit, see, engineers also, what they are doing, instead of this news, Kareena first reaction after husband stabbed. Saif Ali Khan news. See, these are the news, Saif Ali Khan health update. If these companies are having this kind of news, that means people are watching. People are more interested in Saif Ali Khan. What happened to Saif Ali Khan? How is he now? Okay. Instead of getting into technology, we are going somewhere else, which is totally not useful. So if you are wasting your time in all this article, Saif Ali Khan attacked, these are the celebrity here. If you will be attacked, if we will be attacked, nobody will even ask you that why he or she was attacked. Okay. So these are celebrity. Please don't waste your time here. You focus on technology. Okay. You need money. If you have money, you have honey. If you have honey, means you have bread. Put the honey on the bread and eat. Okay. Now, this other news, money control, we saw, right? Okay. Speaking on the company over hiring, so there is not much news here. Now, I don't want to repeat the same thing again and again. Otherwise, some people will again start abusing me also. Okay. So they will leave Saif Ali Khan and they will go behind me only. So Infosys plans to hire, same news, because they have to, all new channels, they need something. Okay. So please do subscribe to our channel, and now we will see. So Infosys hires for different role, which we already know. So this is one of the pattern for system engineer, which Infosys hires. So out of 20,000, no, you have to keep in mind that most of the hiring will be for system engineer. Most of the hirings will be for system engineer. Okay. Out of all these hirings, most of the hirings will be for system engineer. Then DSC role and SP role. So I am not remembering the exact package they offer, but around 6.25 LPA, and here 9 LPA. So if they say 20,000 they are going to hire, then you can expect like around 15,000 hirings will be in system engineer, and here another 5,000 hirings will be for DSE and SP role. And this hiring will majorly include 2025 and 2026 batch. 2024 batch, I doubt that they will be included in any hirings of Infosys. So I know it is disheartening, but now 2024 batch, you need to understand that the hirings will start becoming less as the year passes. So 2020, now it is 2025. Okay. So 2025, what they will do, 2025 and 2026 they will hire. 2024, generally they hire 2024 and 2025. But Infosys did not hire in the last 2-3 years, which I said. So that's the reason 2024 batch did not get the opportunity. Now here 2025 and 2026 batch will be getting the opportunity for system engineer and DSE and SP role. So if you are preparing for system engineer, the exam will not be tough. But the only thing is you need to practice. Friends, I will tell you, nothing in this world is difficult or impossible. Till then, we try. If you are not trying, everything is difficult. Driving a truck is very difficult. Very difficult because we have never tried it. What about riding a bike? It's very easy because we have done it. What about driving a car? For most of us, it is easy because we have done it. So all those things matters if you have not yet tried. So please start trying. Section 1, reasoning ability will be there. 15 questions and 15 marks will be given to you. Total time will be 120 minutes. This is for system engineer role. Then section 2, technical ability test. 10 question and 10 marks will be there. Section 3, verbal ability test. 20 question and 20 marks will be there. Pseudocode, 5 question, 10 marks. Numerical puzzles. So puzzles will be like little challenging. 4 puzzles. Each 2 puzzles will be for 2 marks. And 2 puzzles will be for, 2 puzzles each 2 marks. So it will be 4 marks. And 2 puzzles each 3 marks. So it will be 6 marks. So total 10 marks. Section 6, English grammar test. So that number of question 5 and total marks will be 10. Section 7, English writing test. This is essay, generally paragraph test will be there. Number of question 1. See, already if you go to our channel now, and here you will see Infosys. So clear and in-depth video we have already made it. So let us see Infosys system engineer, recent question asked. Here if you will go and watch, so I have also explained how Infosys hires, what is their pattern. So all those things is covered. Infosys system engineer, on-off campus hiring, new syllabus pattern. So everything has been discussed. So that's the reason I said you, if you subscribe to the channel, you will be getting the exact, concrete and the required information. Now for SP and DSE role, coding questions will be asked. So that we will make a separate video on that. So just keep in mind that many companies are going to hire and each and every opportunity will be your last opportunity. Think in that way and then prepare. You will definitely get the job. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very best. This was a small information, but it has a big message and I wanted to tell you in a definitely 13 minutes of the video. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon.